Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by updating both devices so sync features behave predictably. Open Software Update on the iMac and the iPhone. Next, plug the Lightning or USB-C cable into a reliable iMac port and into your unlocked iPhone. When the Trust This Computer alert appears, tap Trust and enter your passcode. This initial handshake establishes a secure connection and lets Finder or iTunes access data. Once done, keep both devices powered and avoid sleep so transfers won't pause mid-process. On macOS Catalina and later, use Finder to manage your iPhone, located under Locations in the Finder sidebar. Click General to choose whether to back up to this Mac or to iCloud, and enable Encrypt Local Backup if you need saved passwords and health data. Move through the Content tabs, Music, Photos, Files, Info, and check the specific sync boxes for playlists, albums, or folders you want mirrored. After tailoring selections, click Apply to queue the changes and prepare the transfer immediately. Press Sync or Apply to initiate the transfer and watch the Finder status indicator. Do not disconnect until it completes. If progress stalls, first restart both iPhone and iMac, then try a different cable or USB port, and temporarily disable VPN or firewall utilities that might block connections. If errors persist, update Mac OS, reset location and privacy on the iPhone via Settings General Transfer or Reset, and rerun. These steps fix permission or driver conflicts that commonly break syncing. Finally,
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.